Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default video recording resolution and frames per second on your iPhone. So if I open up the camera right now and go to this, and I go to video, mine's currently at 4K 60 every time I go to it, but the default is HD at 30. So what I want to do is go up to settings, then go back to the main settings menu here, and you'll see music, TV, photos, and then finally camera. Select camera. Then at the top, you can see record video. Go to record video. And this is where you can change your default resolution and your frames per second under here. So you got 720, you got 1080, you got 4K at 60 frames per second. And that is the one I'm going to go ahead and leave this on. So just select it. And then now when you go back to the camera and you open it up, it will always be at that specific setting that you placed it to. So let's go over to video, and you can see in the top right, 4K at 60. So now I can go ahead and record a video under here, and I shouldn't have a problem in the future. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.